We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day. I am Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Alice, nice to see you again. And we're getting more and more popular. 你现在越来越红了，我跟你讲。
一样哦。
So today, because a lot of people who are working, in the office, they like, this segment and they want to learn more about office Hakka.OK， 通常我们在我们自己的频道上面都会教一些办公英文，今天来教办公客家话，
好啊，
好不好？
好啊，
比较会经常碰到的几个字啊。当然，第一个就是我大概每3分钟就会讲一次，好忙哦，今天很忙啊，哦，好忙 ，very busy。How do you say that？
很忙很哦。
啊？好，听起来很可爱嘞。
很忙很哦。
很忙很哦，这就是。
忙汉就是没有空闲
啊，好像有教过没闲，然后好忙汉就是没有
很忙的意思，
对，就很忙的意思。Okay, so that's busy. A lot of people use computers and their computers, break down. 如果说电脑坏了，哎呀，我的电脑坏了，怎么说？
我的电脑坏掉了。
我的电脑坏掉。Okay, there you go. That's my computer is broken. I need someone to repair it. Okay. 下午常常会开会，比如说下午2点钟要开会。
哈猪
要骂我猪了？怎么常骂我猪啊？哈猪
你就知道了。
哈猪下午啊。OK， 哈猪。
哈猪2點。
哈猪2點。
愛開飛。
愛開飛。哦，你不教我還以為說是我又罵我豬，然後2點呢又要喝咖啡，不是聽起來。
咖啡是咖啡呀。
咖啡。開飛是開飛是開會。Okay, so again, if you have a meeting 2 o'clock in the afternoon， 怎麼說？下晝2點
愛開飛。
And finally, the day is over and we call it a day， and 終於可以下班了。我終於下班了。
總算下班嘞。
哦，
大家當歡喜哈。
當然了，很開心啊。總算下班了。總算
下班嘞。
不是凍蒜哦，是總算 ，OK？ 總算下班嘞。So that means I'm finally off work. There you go. That's our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.